Nah, you took me off guard. I didn't know you were gonna record that soon. Okay, anyway, my name is Kirk Barron, and I think I deserve to win because, you know, really I'm a great guy, and I also have a few talents that I believe will benefit your movie. Let me explain.
Okay, really, it's morphing time, but due to explicit copyright infringement laws.
It's time to morph! What? You're interrupting me. Look, stop. We can work this out. We can sit down and talk about this. No! 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 Leave me alone! Man, I hate you. I hate you, man. I hate you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Evil Kirk always wins.
You forgot to laugh.
What?
You forgot to laugh.
That's my evil laugh. Any children watching this, don't go to school. And Evil Kirk says smoke. Smoking makes me popular.
I'm cool.
Oh, hi, I didn't expect for you to start recording that fast. Okay, my name is Kirk Barron, and I think that I deserve to win the contest because, you know, first of all, I'm a great guy. I'm really genuine, and also I have some talents that I believe would benefit your movie greatly. Let me explain.
Okay, actually, it's morphing time, but we're not gonna say that because due to explicit copyright infringement laws.
It's time to morph! Wait, you interrupted me. Stop. Wait, we can work this out. Talk.